And last reason, the sixth reason which I share with you is to avoid deviation, avoid going astray. As the Prophet ﷺ said in a famous hadith which I have mentioned earlier, I'm not going to spend too much time on this right now. He said, Taraktu fikum shayain, I leave behind among you two things. Lan tadillu ba'dahuma, after these two you will not go astray. Kitabullah wa sunnati, it is the book of Allah and my sunnah. وَلَن يَتَفَرَّقَا حَتَّى يَرِدَ عَلَيَّ الْحَوْض, and these two are not going to be separated until they meet me at the house. My brothers and sisters, these two are not going to be separated, and after these two we won't go astray. And what are these two? The Quran and the Sunnah of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. These six are sufficient reasons for anyone to understand that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said Atiyu Rasul, so Allah will preserve the statements of the messenger. Allah has said that the Prophet ﷺ is the explainer of the Quran, so Allah will preserve the Quran. Allah has said that the laws of Islam, the halal and haram, whatever the Prophet gives, take it. Whatever he stops you from, stop from it. So the statements of the Prophet ﷺ will be preserved by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah has made the Prophet ﷺ as an example to be followed, not a namesake symbolic figure, but a real example whom we can do ittiba, whom we can follow, whom we can love, whom we can take as a role model. So Allah will preserve the statements of the Prophet. Allah has mentioned that in matters of differences, refer to Allah and His Messenger. So we have to refer to Allah and His Messenger to solve our differences. So Allah will preserve the statements of the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Allah's Rasul Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned that lan tadillu ba'dahuma, after these two you won't go astray. To be on guidance we need both of these, the Quran and the Sunnah of the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam.